Tired of struggling with complex lighting? Transform your renders from flat to phenomenal in seconds. This is Fusion HDRI Pro, the ultimate professional lighting toolkit for Blender. Core HDRI Management. Seamlessly browse, load, and manage your entire HDRI library with dynamic thumbnails and favorites. Smart World Node System automatically generates a powerful node setup for perfect environmental lighting with just one click. Real-time preview. Instantly see your HDRI changes in the viewport with our intuitive icon-based browser. Dynamic loading and cleanup. Load HDRIs on the fly and automatically clean up unused images to keep your project lightweight. Auto projection detection intelligently sets the correct equirectangular or mirror ball projection for any HDRI. Lighting and background controls. Fine-tune sun strength, sky strength, and HDRI rotation to match your vision. Adaptive background display. Switch between the original HDRI background, a solid color, or an artistically blurred version. Professional studio setups. Create perfect lighting rigs with a single click. 3-point lighting, the classic setup for balanced subject illumination. 5-point lighting, for complex scenes that need extra depth and detail. 360 ring lighting, for beautiful, soft, and even wraparound light. Product lighting, optimized to make objects pop with clarity. Cinematic RGB Light Rigs. Build stunning, colorful light setups with customizable count, strength, and radius. Advanced light targeting. Make every light in your scene automatically track and follow a target object. Auto tracking system. Lights continuously update to stay pointed at your product even when you move it. Sun and sky system. Add a realistic physical sun and sky to complement your HDRI with full control over elevation and strength. Smart HDRI Match. AI analyzes your object's colors and automatically suggests the best matching HDRI from your library. Built-in HDRI downloader. Access a curated library of HDRIs directly from the interface in multiple resolutions. Advanced color tinting. Infuse your entire scene with a specific mood by overlaying a custom tint color and controlling its strength. Precise gamma correction with dedicated gamma adjustment. Saturation control. Lighting, background, or color back to its default with a single button. Unlock the true potential of your scenes.
If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next tutorial. See you in the next one. Happy blending!
Do not forget to subscribe for new upcoming Blender Addons.